Here's an exciting film about the Florida Bird Sanctuary full of little-known facts and historical references. In 1973, the male pelicans decided to boycott the pool because they said the women were hogging all the space, fighting, arguing, and showing off all day long. Just 2 short years later, the female pelicans instituted a thorough investigation and found absolutely none of the allegations from the male pelicans to be true. They weren't showing off, fighting, or doing anything unusual. The star of the show at the Florida Bird Sanctuary is a beautiful bird named Cheyenne. Don't be fooled by her name because she's not very shy. She loves to walk down the ladder and have all the people admire all her skills and her beautiful yellow hat. One word of caution though. Do not ask Cheyenne where the nearest Kentucky Fried Chicken is, or you may be in for a real surprise.
Oh, thanks for that.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the fun, but here's a friendly reminder from the people who run the bird sanctuary. Do not be like these people that you're going to see who are pretending they are birds in distress and trying to get in without paying the entrance fee. The bird sanctuary knows this trick and they have a permanent wanted poster, and these people will never be allowed in again. So, that's all for now. Gotta fly.